How I build six-figure programs. Quite simple. One avatar, one channel, and one offer. What up? It's Dalaney Davis. This video is all about how to go from 0 to 6 figures in the simplest, easiest way. If you've been trying and you're a little confused about where to prioritize yourself, or if you've been adding immense value and you're ready to start working with some people, this video will be extremely helpful so you can learn the lessons and learnings from my experiences of trial and error of building six-figure programs, courses, and content. Now, the very first place I start is myself. What have I achieved that I can help other people with? And I want you to just list down everything, even if it's not in a category that you want to work with. Write down everything you've achieved with your health. Write down everything you've achieved with your mindset, your mental health, your work, your career, the things you know, the things you've learned. Write down everything. I encourage you to put a timer on for maybe 20 minutes and write down at least 52 book titles on things you can help people with. For example, how to build a 0 to 6 figure program, like this. How to effectively clarify your marketing, how to choose the right channel, how to make an offer, or if you're in another category like fitness, how to lose 10 kilos in 10 weeks. Try and brain dump as many things as you can that are like catchy book titles. This is a great place to start. Once you've written down all these delicious book titles, I want you to start now circling ones that most energize you, right? This is what I like to do. I like to brain dump everything, and then I circle the ones that move, touch, and inspire me. This is important because we need to have energy behind what we're doing. Then I start thinking about the person I was when I was achieving this goal. What was I thinking and what was I before I did it? What was my pains? What was my problems? What was my pain and problems during that thing? Say for example, what were my pain and problems during building a six-figure program? As I was very confused and lacked a lot of clarity and I wish it was more simple. And then after, right, which was the maintenance, what was this a fluke? How did I actually do this? So really getting clear on that one thing that you've written down that you'd like to put some energy behind, and think about what were my pain and problems before, during, and after this problem. Get really crystal clear here, because this right here, my friend, is your avatar profile. This is who ideally it would be for. Get crystal clear on what did I want? Why did I want it? What was my problem, or what was keeping me up at night? What was the pains associated with that problem before, during, and after? And then what was my achievements and my transformation by going through this process? The channel. So many people struggle to get from 0 to 6 figures. And I think this is one of those needles in the haystacks. This is one of those threads that when you understand this one, everything becomes so much simpler. And that is your marketing, or you're sharing your value, your offers, yourself, all of it on the wrong channel. When I say channel, in today's age, I mean like social media platform, or it could be back in the day, you know, you're advertising on TV when your ideal client listens to the radio. I see a lot of people sharing on Instagram when their avatar, they're not hanging out on Instagram, they're hanging out on Facebook. Or a young corporate who's climbing the corporate ladder and loves sharing value. They're not hanging out on Instagram all day. They're hanging out on LinkedIn, pretending to look busy. Once you understand your avatar, it's really key to understand the channel they're on and just put your energy and effort there. Don't let your ego get in the way thinking you need to be on Instagram or you need to be on TikTok or whatever it is. Just choose the singular, simple channel that your avatar is on. And then finally is creating an irresistible offer, that one singular offer for this avatar. Just one offer, one thing. And again, understanding your avatar. What are they looking for in this category that you work in? What do they value most? What do they want? They might want convenience. Maybe they want the best of the best. Maybe they want speed. Maybe they want quick results. Maybe they want long-term results. Maybe they want to bounce back. What are they looking for? Are they looking for clarity in thinking? Are they looking for someone to do it for them? Are they looking for quality? Are they looking for premium? Are they looking to be different? Are they looking to just make it simple and easy? What are they looking for in your category? Give it to them, right? Just think about every single thing you can do to help them achieve that goal. The key thinking here is what is going above and beyond, because that's truly how you can differentiate yourself and succeed in this growing market. What can you do better? Simple. If you're creating an offer and you want to look to the market, because that's the way your mind works, is looking to others, look at someone else's offerings and go, how can I do that better? What does the avatar actually want? And then the last piece of the puzzle, what inspires you? What wakes you up? I see a lot of entrepreneurs in this thought leadership space delivering the wrong mode. Now I have a specific video on finding your optimal mode, but really think about, is it one-to-one coaching? Is it workshop? Is it speaking? What is going to be your mode of delivery for your offer? Is it a 12-week program? Is it a year program? Is it a course? What is it? So this is the 3 key pillars to building a six-figure program, six-figure offering. It's really that simple. Just choose one avatar, one channel, and one offering, and bon voyage, away you go. Right there, if you just write that word for word out on a list, you've got a social media post, you've got an amazing offer. And all you can then put at the bottom is message me to learn more. So this is how I like to build them, is I think about something I've achieved, I then get really tapped into my pains and problems I had at that time, and then I put a simple post out, whatever it is, on the right channel of where it might be. And that's it, that is done. You get some feedback. The market will always tell you if that's something they want. In the description below is a template you can use to share your own offer post for your beta hypothesis on a potential offer. Give it a go and let me know in the comments how it went. You'll probably get a client. Love your work. Deep.